बायणा दर्यादेगेर मरीना बाराचें काम सीआरझेड नेम म्हणून चल्ला म्हणून कांय थळाव्यांनी ताका हरकत घेतल्या. एके वटेन मुख्यमंत्री आनी पर्यटन खातें वास्कोकारांक नितळ आनी सोबीत बायणाच्यो गजाली उलोवन दाखयतात, जाल्यार दुसऱ्या वटेन पालिका दर्यादेग बांदकामां करपाक दिता म्हणून थळावे उलोवन दाखयतात. मुख्यमंत्र्यान लक्ष घालचें म्हणून लोक मागतात.
आनीक ताका नॅशनल हायवे जावं सीआरझेडान परमिशन दिल्लें आसा की थंय ताका मरीन बार आनीक रेस्टॉरंट हें करपाक. आमी एप्लाय करून पीडीएन आमकां परमिशन दिल्लें आसा.
ते बांदता ते कोण बांदता? म्युनिसिपालिटी वा तो ओनर?
म्युनिसिपालिटी.
आमचे पयलीं लीज आसलेले त्या नांवाचेरूच ते आमी कन्स्ट्रक्शन स्टार्ट केल्लें, तांकां दिल्लें आसा लीज रिन्यू करून तांकां दिल्लें आसा.
How can CRZ give a permission to a new structure which is deviant from the old structure? If it is repairs or reconstruction, it should be reconstructed with like the same thing. How can they give? Suda being made to demolish a retaining wall here. This is far beyond that. That is 10 meters behind or 20 meters behind. This is more closer to the high tide line. National highways setback is 40 meters from the center of this. How can they do this from 40 meters? This is not even 30 meters here. So these are the anomalies. This is all corruption which is taking part without the knowledge of Mr. Parikar, without the knowledge of anybody there in Panjim. I cannot blame Parikar in this because he must be not knowing about this. But I expect him to take action because he is the one who had promised Vascoites that he would give us a Baina beautified plan.
अकराव्या राष्ट्रीय युवा एथलेटिक्स सर्तीक बऱ्यापैकी प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो. 600 वयर भुरगीं ह्या सर्तीत वांटेकार जाल्यांत. आयतारा सकाळी भामोळे एथलेटिक्स स्टेडियमाचेर सर्त सुरू जाली. सभापती राजेंद्र आर्लेकरान सर्तीचें उक्तावण केलें. महाराष्ट्राच्या मेघना देवांगान शॉटपुटांत 14.36 मिटराचो थ्रो मारून शॉटपुटांत नवो मीट रिकॉर्ड प्रस्थापीत केलो.
Actually, I wanted to break my national record in 15.35. I wanted to break that record, but I couldn't. But I broke the meet record over here, and I'm happy. Ambition. Every athlete has only one ambition. It's the Olympic and Commonwealth. I want to participate in that game. Participating itself is a bigger achievement, but enabling the national anthem, India's national anthem over there, it will be my biggest achievement in my life, and I want to do it.
The immediate goal should be to qualify for the Nanjing Youth Olympics.
That's what, now the main aim is to qualify for the Youth Olympics. So let's see what happens. Fingers crossed.
इतल्यानी खबरांची तर हांगाच सोंपता. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट, You're watching Prudent